This is Mia's crayon.
Mia's crayon?
Yes, it got mixed into my bag. She is outside in the rain.
But the story began on a sunny morning.
Good morning, everyone.
I like sunny mornings. Me too. Today my class has drawing time.
Lily, here is your lunch bag. There is rice, egg, and fruit in the box.
And a small sweet cake.
Thank you, Mom. I will draw our family beautifully.
Eat quickly, kids. Dad will drive you to school.
It is so cold, but I have to try hard and stay determined to do well in school. Mom bought this crayon for me. I must keep it safe. I only have one piece of bread to last me the whole day. Dad, look! That girl is walking to school.
Is she walking alone? Her bag looks broken.
I think she is a new student.
Please be kind to friends who are in situations like that, okay, you two?
Yes, I will.
Today, we will draw a picture. Please draw your family.
I miss my mom so much. Look, your bag is very old. It is torn. Please do not laugh at me. Your backpack looks like it just came out of the trash. Jack, stop! An old bag is not bad. Laughing at others is bad.
Jack, please say sorry and go back to your seat, Fanma. We must be kind to our friends.
Okay. I am sorry. Hi, I am Lily. You can sit near me. Thank you, Lily. Mia, please have lunch with me. I have an apple and this cake. Thank you. Oh, I was careless. Let me help you pick them up. Where is my crayon? Mom bought it for me. Don't worry, Mia. Maybe it rolled somewhere. I will help you find it this afternoon.
Children, heavy rain is coming. Please stay in the hall and wait for your parents.
Dad, Mia is running in the rain. Her home is an old, leaky house deep behind the park. I am so cold. Mom's crayon is gone too. Oh no, my books are all wet. Where can we go tonight? I'm so cold. Dad. This is Mia's crayon. When the things fell, I put it in my bag by mistake.
The storm is strong. I will call the teacher and find her. You two stay here with Mom.
Dad, you can't find it alone. It is not a house. It is an old shed behind the big oak tree. Only I know the way into that alley.
Okay. Lily will go with Dad to show the way. We need to help Mia.
Yes, Dad. With thunder and lightning like this, Mia must be really scared being alone.
Wait a little. We'll find Mia.
Turn left at the school, Dad. Go past the big oak tree. The shed is right behind it. Mia, where are you? Mia, it's dangerous out here in the storm tonight. Please come back to our house.
Mia, I am Lily's dad. You are safe now.
Mia, I found your crayon. It got mixed into my bag. Thank you.
Oh, she is all wet. Tom, please get her a warm blanket and hot chocolate.
Yes, Mom.
I told your teacher and your family. The storm is big tonight. Please stay here and be safe.
I am not scared anymore.
Mia needs warmth and rest. She got cold and has a fever, but she is very strong.
Mom? Oh, are you really back with me? Mia, you have a fever. Please rest. You're safe now. Thank you, Lily. Is this a dream? Tomorrow, we'll keep drawing together. Let's draw together. What are you drawing with the red crayon? I am drawing a big family. There is Dad, Mom, Tom, you, and me. Your picture is very beautiful, Mia.
From now on, you are always welcome here, Mia.
After the rain, the sky is bright again. Mom carefully fixed Mia's backpack.
Mia, yesterday, I was not kind. A bag is not important. A friend is important. Can you forgive me? I forgive you. We are friends. Today's lesson is very simple. Because a kind heart can make a stormy day feel warm.